Yes, you're all welcome to today's broadcast, my weekend broadcast. Yesterday, I was supposed to come online 9 p.m., but I went somewhere with my leader, Honorable Osagbo Voyoa, and we didn't close on time, so couldn't make it to come online. For those that waited for me, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. You know, I got loads of respect for my fans, for my supporters. Today is a very, very interesting day. It's going to be a very interesting day because we actually overestimated all these EPM people. We overestimated them. In fact, from the beginning, I never really overestimated them. It was some of my friends, some politicians that overestimated them. From the beginning, I knew that they will crash even before the fight.
Yes.
I knew. Because as we speak, the fight has not started though. But they're already begging. The fight, this is just February now. Primaries is June. We still have almost 4 months to primaries. 4 solid months. Fights never even start. They're already begging. So many people were calling me, but nobody goes to Shomole, has never lost any battle. This one has never lost any battle. Sometimes they will do video, people will call me. I say, Albert, go watch the video. Are you not seeing the caliber of people that are with Adamu? How do they say, leave these people? We know them. They are empty politicians. They have no weight without government backing. We know them. They'll say, about no, I say, leave that thing. Because the governor does not showcase people that are with him. If governor say everybody, all the political leaders that are behind me, let everybody meet, Albert, come and do a live video. We'll not go, hey. Not be people from the business sector. Not be people from the civil society. Not be market women. Not be ordinary people on the streets. Let's say politicians like with governor. The governor does not believe in show. People overestimated them. They was no molest. They will to Shomole. Kabaka, they will to Shomole. Shaba, they will to Shomole. Osabo, they will to Shomole. I say, all these people that you are mentioning, they cannot hurt a fly ordinarily without any government backing. Go and check their record. Go and check their record. Go and check their record. Go and check their history since 1999. They are always keen into any government in power. That is why you hear their name everywhere. They cannot hurt a fly because ordinarily they are not supposed to hurt a fly. If not for impunity. If not for the fact that the past government engaged in encouraging and breeding Agberos and making them more relevant than people that went through the 4 walls of an academia. Under the previous government, education was not really important to be relevant. You don't need to be educated to be relevant. You don't need to do anything reasonable to be relevant. All you need to do to be relevant is to be tough. If you have the wicked mind to intimidate people, to beat people up, to break their head, to do rubbish things, to collect people's land, my friend, you will be recognized in the former government. It started during the Lucky Igbinedion administration. The people that played very ugly role in that administration, they are the same people that moved from Lucky's government to Adams Oshomole's government. That's why. Are we good? Mm. That is why we didn't really notice change. The only thing we noticed was, yes, Oshomole did better than Lucky Igbinedion. That is a known fact. Anybody that tells you that Lucky performed better than Oshomole is a liar. Is a liar. We saw some developments under Adams Oshomole. We know that we can't really compare the resources Edo got for the 8 years of Adams Oshomole. We can't compare it with what he gave Edo people. But at least he did something. He did something. That is why when he told us that he was bringing somebody, he said it. Yeah, his current CPS, Samuel Begbulem. Samuel Begbulem were one of the journalists that made so much money under Oshomole. Because Oshomole is a media person. Oshomole likes to counter people. He likes to engage people. He likes to insult people. He likes to create unnecessary tension. So all these media guys, Peter Ohiria, most of these journalists, they really benefited under him. They really, because anything, don't call press conference, call me Simon, call me this one, call me John Mayaki. So they made money. So there were these people that released different publications that Oshomole said the man that he is supporting. It's not like he is bringing, because that's what I don't get. People say, now Oshomole bring. Oshomole did not bring Obaseki. Now Oshomole still come say he want to do election, he want to campaign, he want to run for governor. That's not the same Obaseki came. So he supported him. Just like me about Obaseki. I can't say now I go bring Obaseki come. No, I supported him in 2016 to be governor. Charlie Temple supported him. Everybody supported him. But everybody supported him to be governor. The same thing, now the same role where we play now, Oshomole play. The difference between we and Oshomole is that Oshomole had resources to mobilize more than us. If me come now, if it comes to people and say, like, hello, why, are ring road, or my cape ring road, you go, do here now, we go at the rate, but I can give you transport. But Oshomole can call people and say, I can't go to ring road, you take this, call also number. That is the difference between we support Gio and Oshomole. The resources was there because he was a sitting governor, but not being bring at home. So he told us that the governor Obaseki that is coming in 2016 is the engine room of his administration. That everything, every positive thing that you have seen today in Edo, that Governor Obaseki has a hand in it. That Governor Obaseki, that he was the economic team. Whenever he's around, you see he assembles commissioners, special advisors, SSAs to brainstorm. Because he's from the financial sectors, he knows what to do. He knows the proposal to fly. And he told us that all through his 8 years, that Obaseki is the only person that never asked him for contract, or never asked him for kickback, or never asked him for any form of compensation. So wow. He told us that Obaseki will do better. Even when Odubu was running, he said no, that Odubu is a native daughter. That Odubu wants to kill him with Juju. That we cannot afford to make a native daughter a governor. Okay. Izeyamu was campaigning. He said no. That Izeyamu has a case with the SSC, 700 million case. That Izeyamu supported was with him, that he never even gave him a board appointment. That he cannot hand over the key of Edo Treasury to a character like Osage Izeyamu. So the difference between Governor Godwin Obaseki and other aspirants were very, very clear. Oshomole was the one that sold Gio to me personally at Government House Villa, when I went to see him, February 14, 2016. He was the one that sold Gio to me. And he said, don't just listen, don't just take what I'm telling you now. Meet all the aspirants and you'll be convinced. And when I really meet Gio, the difference was clear. So when Governor come, he was voted to change the narrative because he's an educated governor. You'll be like the way me be now. If I'm recruiting people, or I want to work with some persons, trust me, if 10 people come, I will first check. The first one I will ask, any of them go school here? Some go say they go, the primary school they reach. Some go say they go secondary. Some go say they go university. That's okay. If you know that you not reach, you not go university this side. If you go university this side, I will now define a role for the two groups. Because those who go university, will get certificate, I know where to send them. I will say, okay, you go to ITV, go defend government. You draft out a proposal. You do a write-up. You go to social ministry. I don't want to say all these ones where I don't say they don't really feel to engage. I know where to send them. Oga, you go social place. Go and meet with Iyeki. Everybody get role to play. Everybody is important. So when Governor Obaseki came, you don't expect him to relegate people that went to school, people with certificates, and start patronizing, sustain Agbero's patronage. He said no. Non-government officials should not be responsible in collecting taxes for government. It is unacceptable. It doesn't happen anywhere in the world. So he needed to disband them. Then he went further to say, you don't have rights, either as a Noge or as a Ojongwere or as a CDA chairman, to just wake up and start selling people's lands. You sell land to 3 persons, to 4 persons, and then you beat them, you throw them away from your community. You are scaring people away from investing in their land. He disbanded CDA. And he called politicians. He said, please, what I went through to be governor, I will not open my eyes and allow any Edo son, any Edo daughter go through it. The governor told me himself during the campaign when we went to see him. He said the way politicians are extorting aspirants, the way they are desperate for money. He said, how can one person tell me to go and bring 10 million? Just one person. Say, if you want me to, I know call your office after you become governor. I know if you follow you argue. But for you to get my support, you must give me 10 million. He said, is that sustainable? He said that people, look at politicians are selling their houses. They are going to banks to borrow money. They are sourcing for funds everywhere. If they emerge, they will certainly steal from the masses to pay back. He said, the only God, my savior is that I've been in the business sector. I've done well for myself. Most of this money that they are asking, I can actually raise it. I have friends that can raise it. So I will not borrow. When Governor God declared, I said, when I go ask. In rural election, it was not broke. That's why when I tell people, say, not be Oshomole sponsor of Obaseki election, because I was involved. You know people when governor know. If governor fee raised over 500 million for Oshomole in 2007, when Oshomole was running, why he not fee raise 5 billion or 10 billion for himself? When he know the movers and shakers, the cream de la cream in this country, all of them, they get the follow, they know one-on-one. All the bank CEOs, all the insurance CEO, you not get any company today. Whenever I do business with governor company, I free invest. So when governor came, for me, like I always tell people, I was looking at maybe they'll give me one area, may they collect revenue. Because under Adamu, that was the trading business. If you see any big boy for anywhere, they open fire. If you ask questions, they'll tell you, name is also personal, name is also personal. But when governor came, some of the politicians that said, government house is not bank. Government house can never be bank. Government house can never be ATM. Where you just drive in with your Jeep, You don't do any other thing outside politics and collect money. Say, the first 3 years, I am going to work for my people. They not argue. Because they don't say they all bleed the man finish. So they were not expecting the man to enter government and start doling out money again. They all maintained. If you notice the first 1 year of Obaseki's administration, there was no kind of argument, altercation, or fight, or unrest, or tension from the political wing of the state. They just understand, okay, let this man work. Because Oshomole's government, his first 3 years was like that. But that time, Oshomole was always blaming Lucky's government. That the reason he's not servicing politicians, the reason he's not patronizing them, is because Lucky didn't really leave things for him. That the state was empty, that the state was in debt. So people understand. But now, you don't expect Obaseki to come now and start blaming Oshomole for whatever the government is going through now. When they newly came in, they'll say, hey, don't start, oh, hey, oh, hey, Oshomole. No, because they belong to the same party. Anyhow, any be, he go try to manage. That is why Oshomole told us that he's a financial guru. He knows how to manage little resources. Go around Edo State today, you know, see say abandon project. Because whenever money comes, he engages all the contractors. You, 100 million, 10 million, no, 50 million. So he could take share to make sure say their machine they work. So make sure say nobody pack up. So the politicians, they understand. Always up to chill, go house. Some go, they open their businesses. Some go, they look for ways. Another time with me, they go, they also review properties. Well, I don't know how I survive it. I survive. I think I want the government as I was one cash out. He go, no. And me don't lie. Me don't also. Any, I make it now. Before, as Oshomole just emerge national chairman. He just set up on that camp. All aggrieved APC leaders come and see me. What's happening? What's happening in your state? Hey, since the governor emerged, he doesn't pick our call. He doesn't do this one. You know, they do that one. They go call and not go pick call. They go send a text and not go reply. That's why they're giving them listening ear. Instead of allowing governor to relate with them, don't worry, I will talk to him. Don't worry, I will talk to him. Don't worry, I will talk to him. 6 months. Who say you want to talk to them? The other year. So they not saw him. They not saw Oshomole as their father that understands their pains, that feels their pains. Whereas the agreement for Obaseki to come and retire politicians, especially the unproductive ones. There are some politicians like Lawrence Oka, they cannot get one person standing behind them if they not pay. As I did so about Obaze, I did among the top 5 politicians for this town when they control thousands of followers, online and online. The role we are supposed to play, we are supposed to use our relationship with government to win people for the government, not to create enemies for government. Every day, I try to relate to people and make sure nobody hates the government because of me. If you hate the government because of me, that means you fail get bad intention. Your intention in the state is not genuine. That's the only way. Because me, I'm not selfish. If I was selfish, I would be Abuja now with them. They one room. And they are Abuja now. Morocco yasiwa. Now they wash me pass. This view now when they say EPM members they wash me, they Abuja. Because they can. This is the first time. And we thank the governor. He will go do IT. Because the guy when they do for Benin here, they don't fit one for Abuja. So if now 1 year they want to stay there, if now 2 years, at least they will still learn how to live in a sane environment. Now they don't fit go, please, I'm busy. Now they don't fit go anywhere now. Go cause problem. They don't fit go any people now, go bust person head. They don't fit go anywhere now, go intimidate person. Now anywhere they obey traffic. If they get below, they obey traffic. Now they can't blow siren in Abuja. Who are you? Police will stop them. Why are you blowing siren? So they be like people who go, at least for the past 40, 50 years of their life, they never live for that kind of environment for 1 month. So they go Abuja, they go learn how to live in a sane society. So anytime they come back to Benin, we're gonna see relative change in their attitude, in their character, with the way they relate to people. You'll be like anybody where go we grow here, maybe grow for village. If you go abroad, you don't get the way go foolish rich, you come back, you will notice some change in the person. That's what they are doing now. So in here, compare Abuja and Areva. That is first start. First start, take it. In a castle. Hey, how dare you? How dare you? How dare you do that? Oshokwek, Osho that brought you from Mexico, Osho that gave you money to build your house. Not when they're not Osho that gave you millions. I challenged them one day. I said, go and meet Oshomole. When I went to see him, how much he gave to me? You people should go and ask him. They'll not come back again. I said, disgrace me. Disgrace me. They'll not come back again.
Expose me.
If the man, you go and meet him, say, sir, when Abba came from Mexico, how much did you give him? You need to come back online with proof and expose me so that people when they follow me will say, yeah, Abba now or targeting or can go show money. I worked with my money throughout this campaign. In Abagbaya, I saw 2 properties. The community people, they are aware. 2 properties that I said. Now, the mayor, I'm going to go, only Amuja aware, I don't know go many years. 2 of my good lands, I said. Yeah, I don't be able to all damn it. Let him mark in a banana. Okay, million. 2. So I told this guy, I said, all my friends will sit down on fence. I said, Oshomole is overrated. Because the second most powerful person in this country today is our governors. After president is governors. We only have 36 governors. 36 in a country of almost 200 million people. We only have 36. There are only 36. And they cooperate that governors forum where they see. PDP, APC governors. Then they sit down. Now outside of what they say, I mean PDP. Once they enter that Nigeria Governors Forum, NGF, they are one, they speak in one voice. They don't want any of their members to be disrespected. If you like the ones where they serve for 1 term now, they are not happy with the treatment
they give to somebody.
They were planning to give to Obaseki because they are also coming to do second term. They don't want to be harassed. They don't want any leader to start sponsoring people to attack them in their own state. I tend to say, these guys are overrated. These guys are empty politicians. If they don't have police, they don't have talks, they don't have army to intimidate people, they are empty. They are empty. It don't belong to everybody. It don't belong to few persons. Now this be like with them. So people they hold their money, they don't go police station, they'll go meet political talks. Say they'll go with Sigo. Just because they get the power and government backing to intimidate people. But the governor came and clean the state. Now, if you cannot cope with the star, you run. You take off. The ones who get money don't collect visa, go stay abroad. The ones who say no, they get power past governor. Now they fight before we know Ryan kill the Ryan. And now they complain. The most dreaded talk to was in Barry's house. I just guess house 3 days ago. Begging. Hey, begging. You know what is begging? Yeah, a leader man no way. What man where Osabo or a leader where you man where police baga place police Osabo as a leader. So a leader go here. You are not just the leader of Waka. You are the leader of everybody. When they don't start, when they really know, when get one-on-one with you. It's okay now, why are you here? When I said I want to remove Obaseki. When I said only 4 years. When I said now I get power. They say lao ireba abati ribai lao gugume no ya na me face. I don't release his name yet, but if they watch the video, you know I don't feel exposed to this body. But I don't want to release the name because we see they work with her. We see they work with her. Hey, why you say do so kind things? You make roa ufwa. Or as I call like, yeah, my because here take copy government of Basakina. Away Baba now, here, la di, man, no go away about it. Me be by ba. The body on now, or what? Baba on Facebook. Hey, oh, so pesio. So all you can wait the owner where EPM in the truth matter is yeah, my trusted me EPM where beside and they can't see themselves campaigning for pastor. So they can't see themselves campaigning for pastor. See, in fact, all of them, they felt betrayed when Adamu go bring pastor come. Say all of them. Say they get different WhatsApp groups now. Say different. Say the camp what they say EPM now there is 5.
Hi.
This one get camp, get not create a WhatsApp group. The other one get camp. So the camp is not say not be like Obaseki side, the Edo APC side. I just one way. Everybody they go towards the actualization of Obaseki second term. So Palao do go governor go. That's why I mean governor me where but what video ya ni aga Abuja. Remember the governor. You must feel bad. The only thing I was saying where he cannot force me to support him. I cannot support him. Matter of you, I don't get the more video like that. I don't play video ya. Oh my God! This is what I was telling my friend Tony Kabaka. Say, you can wear who support a governor is fine. Nobody will feel force you. But all do I love you, who do I feel bad, or work barrier. Uswe emanire do me pa sasajo gedo ainia eni omujaye iyeke video Abuja Tony Kabaka ka swear under the canopy Adamu take his selfie under the canopy eni omujaye ke yan hele o so bi woni then now they tell the person. Then now that's what they hail now. That they now start to be big. I said, "You got hammer in a way now. Oh, Barry, who sick and many people will say, "We are Batty. Omo Etonio, Tony Agbewa o, Tony Warovi Agio Wao, Tony Wagbewa, Abati Mohan." While they were doing that, I was begging for him. Amen. Here. O ma si no o wi obonema eko ema o ma no yigo o ma no boy free no inga anya na bi eke ya me we la o we for what e government ma mu ere he ti retire ma enemi o target yinya we no say no hamela we baba o me ke no say he support we because na me we bi ime encourage we arobie governor. Yeah, if you apply where even somebody like Kabaka said, a plan on here where a government the next government had say Yamu or Dubunia, Yamu boy, you know, how me away 500 million or what? But today now the table don't change. Emania ye cover Abuja, they are begging profusely. Can I big man no he go Abuja go somewhere or someone or do I. So they are all begging. Pull out of that sinking ship. If you still have small integrity, pull out. Imagine a BC in the army. I get the WhatsApp here. I get because we still get people for their WhatsApp group where they send us information. BC was lamenting. The screenshot they sent me. She was lamenting. Says she told them that if they are not careful, the national chamber will turn them to political offense. Because they don't say a power be the fire imwe. A party do I can't wait why I get for your yeah why you go worry why you la move for why you go yo now a part that muna na can they push now made a quick reconcile because everywhere not too hot. You can't remain in that seat where your house is born. When your people here does not yeah well what my bomb always setting. And where I saw how they were uyo why them no mind leg me. All the young one or money give I ye kere emo solo o kan ire ya wa re ni gbe so won yan ne osun e o kan na gbe o ma le ba e we ni go to e wa ni go igbe iye de be sia igbe aye pa lo to when you hear say a meso ya gberian o ya check why we any make about the responsible way running cause we ti say more o ri ge ya to ya yi go re ya won yan wa ire do ya yan ya gbesian ye de be se egbo ye wa gbo e kore so e o so mo le wona o wa ge gie ma ire wa na ma we no dey o ni ma gie e lo Abuja o ri o aje wa
Calm down.
Magiri call away. Mawa I make a national chairman. A railway, Umuadedo. Federal University, Umuadedo. Federal roads, Umuadedo. And then a leader, I will bypass. Am I make your party a mure? Say now we're getting a sass with the Yare Mavedo. Ma go for Sassiade. Ma way lawyer. I want to swap it. I want to sue him. I will send that guy to prison. I will make sure I destroy him. I will do this one. You can't dare me. I only might get away, Baba. If my girl when you position here, we are more president like though. We have few governors like though. Our plan was if Oshomole just emerge national chairman. This he has. Say because that was what Oyegu didn't do. Oyegu not the parade people they call us. Say if Oshomole emerge this he has for Okoro too. He was a fool. Every week they receive private jet. They want to see national chairman. And don't go the boom. Our airport go the busy. For where our you want to feel big. Only wants to feel big you want. So that's why we are not calling him now to say,
come back.
Ajewa. Ewe aje o na we ati e wole gbe. Ewu na gewe ewu wa aje cause we get kwemu ma. So if you are still a member of EPN, I just want to advise you. The former PA to BC Daubney is now SSA to the governor. Right. SSA to the governor. He was a former member of EPN. He said in their meeting one day, if he say their cause was genuine, was about the masses. Say in their meeting one day, so people they talk say, even if governor want, even if Obaseki want to second term, you go pay now. You go pay all the commissioners when they pursue, go bring them back. All the council chairmen when they drop, they go bring them back. All the SSA when they drop, they go bring them back. They go come settle us. I say, So all these people are settlements. Now money be their problem. The next day move straight to Benin. Now it come government house. Says, I not be EPM again. I thought these people were genuine. All the things they were bringing, I thought these things were facts. I don't know, they were just lying to the masses. Just to spread the innocent mass thing. Go government house on Monday morning and you'll see the boy. Working for the government. Going to ITV. Going to EBS. Agitating for Obaseki's re-election. Those leaders, when they say, you say, why are you Obaseki? They are using people to negotiate. With the governor, they are already political terrorists. Obaseki will never negotiate with political terrorists. It's either you are lying or you be kicked out politically. And what better? How can you be a young politician and still be worshiping a politician that started politics since 1992? Some started politics since the 80s. My leader. I didn't do my leader to get to where I am today. Today, I'm crafting Paris 12 appointments. 12. SSS and SSS. I didn't get that by being a sycophant. I'm genuine. That's why when I agitated to say, oh, yeah, my treating myself, yeah, my when I say, your problem, they don't hear money from my mouth. They don't hear contract from my mouth. They don't hear my personal interest. Just about my people. These people have been with me. Let us encourage them. That guy let her name away. Maybe deserve it. But I believe that's my Kamiya and Wasike government. It's all about their own. They can't even influence government to come and tie their road, the road to their house, our war. Masters sponsor. It's always about them. Also, you have abandon contract everywhere. Now, if you don't have the capacity to do contract, government will give you. Because you go prison. So if you are still in EPA doing my leader, pull out of that. That ship is sinking. No way, make it sink first. Nobody will rescue you. Adamu is already planning to jump out from the SCPD sink. Ojo will take off there. Wow. Ojo smart you.
Kai.
He has to one was
Kai.
Ojo will granted interview 6 days ago. He still reaffirmed the fact that Governor Obaseki is his friend and his brother. With some Omaseye. When I watch the interview,
Yeah.
I mean, not read the interview. I will post it for people. He still referred to Governor Obaseki as his friend and his brother. Why they must have Sasage and Nigodo? They are insulting Governor Obaseki. So therefore, this is my money, my weekend money breakfast for all the Togberians all over the world. I thought that this is going to be the freest election in Edo State. It's going to be the easiest. Nobody will die. If anybody will die, their children they will take pay. And their children they will take pay. They will use their hand bury their children. Because if you hear where Obiomo and when I go there, so you can't be planning info for that those children. You go hide your own for abroad. No, bring your children home. Let them come and be part of those when they cause governor. Don't hide them and be using the poor man's children. Don't do that. Bring your children come. Bring your children come. Bring them. As they do rally, they say resist them. They do the put your children in front. All of it, their children, they UK, they US. This one at the front, they use internet, they watch us. And then they God forbid say they succeed, and those children they'll go bring come. They'll pursue all this also they use now, they do get the job. Uga no bien, we bien, do your plan, and ya go here, so walk away. Me, I cannot be in a gathering where they are planning to hurt the soul. Never. I can never be in that kind of gathering. I didn't go from the beginning when I entered politics in 2015. I don't talk about the beginning where they cannot go and be Imujara, Ununa, everywhere I gag here. Ununa is Solia. It's Solia. Solia, Valiant. I don't know how to be. But they get reputation. Which reputation I get? Which name? When I get name when I get one of steal money, put a don't say step of debt. Eh? Small children like we are of a governor. They Kinadamu don't they get see finish. Who is not better you want to say want be governor? If not be see finish. If not be see finish. Say the boy want benefit from the crisis. Who is not better you want to say want be governor? If not be see finish. If they can't do one. Then we are here with governor. It don't be see finish. Then see finish I'm your pastor for. And you are your better you are as of here with governor. Then see finish. Then you are your pastor here anyone. So I talk about this today. Share this broadcast. Invite your friends to watch. Now truth to the talk when they plan any evil against us, enough you work. But God knows my conscience. God knows that we are here for good governance. And we'll continue to advocate for good governance. And the pilot that will do that for us, as far as Edo is concerned, as we speak today, is Governor Obaseki. That's why we will continue, we will remain consistent, we will remain committed. People they come here, but you know they have a property again. You know they go office sometimes. We'll go to your office, and they go office, but don't be every time. If I get inspection to do with governor, don't expect to go in there. I say, wait, my personal business, not be me go benefit you. You do maybe you come me, you have me a favor, I still support you. I said the business will slow down now. It's slow down, not die. It's slow down, not die. But may we fight this fight. May we win this fight. And I'll go back to hey. Salova, I'm your coin market, and I hear. The money we are here, see for Thierry. The money we are here to Thierry. The money we are here to Thierry. Because if they come back, they will destroy this state. That even me and you know if you do business for this state. The business with me and you they say one do. If they come back, they will destroy the state that me and you don't fit do business. The government will go back to Agbero. That for you to get job, you need to go meet one Agbero to sign for your form. Or you need to go collect complimentary card from one Agbero. So thank you very much for watching. Thanks for sharing. God bless you and bye.